All right, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you again. And welcome back to the UK live session. It is 2:30 AM Eastern now, when we are moving into the last trading day officially for 2017 now. And once again, a warm welcome to new members to our family. Uh, we are 1500 points in this year in the currency and metal segment, and about 3000 points in Bitcoin in the last two trades. For the last 24 hours, we have taken a pause to trade. We are not opening fresh positions. We'll do that going into 2018, and quite a few reviews are coming up. It will be either today or over the weekend. Uh, just watch out for those updated videos in your Telegram Messenger, as well as the YouTube channel, of course. So let's get started off with a few bigger picture analysis. As far as the trade setups are concerned, we have 4 trades on the desk right now: gold and silver on the short side, and pound and crude also on the short side. We are watching euros and the dollar index to enter again, but I don't think it will be any time sooner today. Let's watch out. Today is 29th, so it could be a major high low event kind of a day, or it could go in the first week of January. We are looking for small highs to be printed in euros and the dollar index. So let's get started off the Bitcoin daily chart in front of your screens now. You need to understand one thing, that we have done an impulse. It has done an impulse. Let's find out the Fibonacci way. If we kind of believe the Fibonacci ratios from waves 1 to 3, and we do an extension for that as well, I think the fifth waves got extended up to 61.8% of the distance traveled by the waves 1 and 3. So if I take an extension all the way there, it has exceeded the 61.8% as well. So if we place some numbers, let's do an arrow that's going to be easier and faster. That's wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very shallow kind of wave 4. Right, if we are to believe this wave structure is correct, I mean, by all means, it looks like, at least in the 2017 chart setup, ideal is an ABC corrective drop, 3 waves. Now, whether or not you are already on the short side, you should remain on the short side. We'll be taking fresh calls the moment we enter a bit volatile, of volumes coming in the first week of 2018. We are ready and prepared to sell again with the resistance or stop loss around 20,000 levels, and the take profit levels can go all the way, believe me, towards the 6,000 mark as well. Don't be surprised, there could be some sideways consolidation if it wants to, actually, as the second wave, but we are targeting at least 7,500. Right, we'll be preparing to sell again as close to 16,500 levels. Let's see if it is producing a triangle or it's going straight down there. All right. So trading point of view, if you're short, kindly remain short, and if you're not, Prepare to go short again. Resistance around 20,000 plus, targeting lower 7,500 at least. Alright, let's get the euros in the picture now. It is barely a few pips away from 1961, and it's kind of showing us that the story is kind of becoming clear. It could be extended wave 3 followed by wave 4, double zigzag ABC X ABC kind of retracement, and what it's doing right now is could be, we're not sure, but could be, if it exceeds 61, yes, probabilities for a diagonal structure increases from here on. Alright, so watch out for that. We are flat right now, but if you're wanting to trade, watch out for levels close to 1.2100, couple of hundred points above the current price. Alright, same with the dollar index chart as well. The higher degree wave counts are kind of showing us that it's been working on the last leg, which could take us all the way back towards the 91 levels. It is almost on the verge of breaking below 92.50, which I was in particular very confident about not being broken, but it's almost done now. So once it breaks below 92.50, it would be a pullback, short of pullback, and again a new low towards 91 level. It could be a truncated one or not. We'll be watching that closely, but we are not trading right now. We are watching for one more low to get as close as possible. Prepare to buy, but alright. Okay, let's look at the pound now. We're not trading that, so I'm not putting much figures on your screens here. But if you understand the story, what pound is trying to create, that was one, wave 2, and then wave 3. Has been worked out as wave 4 of a very high degree. One higher degree at least. Previous wave 4 also getting terminated there. So till the time prices stay below 36.57, pound should be looking lower. What I plan to do is also present as we are moving into 2018 now, we will also present clear wave counts as label charts and send across your Telegram channel. So watch out for that. And by any chance, if you're an active trader and want to get those updates on a regular basis, trade updates, do consider joining the Telegram channel at t.me/Japee. Short-term wave counts here for pound. That is wave 1 slide. It's getting clear now. Wave 2 instead of the triangle formation. Okay. One of 3. Let's do this. It's very interesting actually. See how probabilities change, and we have to adjust the wave counts as well. Now that is wave 1 of a lower degree, and then you have ABC. Watch out that ABC. That ABC itself was a complex corrective structure. think I should be plotting my B there, and what it has done now is a C with the second wave of the same degree. All right, we are working, our pound is working out the third wave into brackets. 1 of 3 is done, 2 of 3 is also done. By all means, if this is correct and prices remain below 35.50, we don't need to adjust the wave counts at all. That is, this should be the projection. Alright, so pound we are short at 34.50.60. Stop goes above 35.50, ideally above 36.50, and take profits much lower. If you are a positional kind of trader, sell now and forget it. It's going almost 1500 points, and I'm not joking. We are talking about a positional trade here. All right, but sequentially it's going to break these supports. 32 first, and then 3000, and then 28, and pullbacks and all those stuff, but it's headed towards 1.2 levels. We are going to bring up, I'm going to send all the reports here in a maybe a PDF form or just the chart form. All right, gold now, that's the one trade which has troubled personal level as well as many of the traders who are trading with me. Okay, we got tripped us, it tripped us twice. We are again short from 91.92. If we look at the daily chart, the only possibility now, if it doesn't reverse below the 1300 handle, and the possibility is increasing as every hour is passing. Now today something should happen on the north side. I am expecting the charts should form a meaningful top and then reverse. 29th of December. 2 days are off, and then we begin the next series. So today or the 1st of January, whatever, I don't know if the markets are open. Kindly check out for the schedule I'll be placing it out on the channel, as well as sending out message on the Telegram. If you are there on Telegram, don't worry, but if you are not, check out the schedule on the channel when we are starting, 1st or 2nd. This is what could be the last and final probability. It's A, B and C. Now that C is either terminating here or it's terminating just above the 1306 mark. Whatever, even if we get tipped out again, it's a good place to go short. 1300, 1310. It's a great resistance, all right. But we are honoring 1300 right now. We have just placed the stop loss above 1300. Let's see how the prices are reacting in the next few hours. All right, silver, we are very close to getting tipped off at around 1690 levels. It has made a high at around 87. Structure is looking good actually. Wave A, wave B, and then that is wave B, sorry. This is what is expected. So A, B and C completes the corrective drop in silver before it resumes. It's still time to resume an uptrend, at least with respect to the chart that is being produced by gold. Right, so we are short right now, and the stop loss around 1690. Let's see how the trades go. If we get tipped out here, we'll be remaining flat after that. Crude oil, that is one thing which is going exactly according to the plan. What happened? Yes. Let's not get too much excited about what is being displayed here. This was wave 4, and we were expecting wave 5 to be breaking north Even yesterday, if you were there with me on the smaller time frame, we were talking about maybe one more low at a lower degree towards the 60 handle, if you remember. So that has been met now. By all means, by high probability, trade setup is for a drop lower in a very sharp manner. I think the first soft target in crude oil should be around the 55 mark. I repeat, sir, that should be around 55 mark before any meaningful pullback occurs. Why are we doing this? Watch out for the chart setups for crude oil that will be sending across as well, quite a number of instruments. And I'll be beginning those services regularly from the 1st of January 2018 as well. It's not been, and announce it very soon. We are beginning an hourly or 2 hourly chart reporting services in 2018. That is what I plan right now. So watch out for the new announcements very soon. And these videos are absolutely going to be for life. This is what I'm talking about. Wave 4, previous wave 4 is very close to that previous wave 4 mark. Maybe it should reverse from here or just around the 6150 handle before it begins a new bear trend altogether, pushing it lower below 25 levels going forward. Alright, so I think we've touched more or less all the instruments that we've got trading interest on, except for the euros and the dollar index. We are holding 4 instruments right now, including gold, silver, crude oil and pound. Bitcoin, we'll be looking to go short again just in a moment. Maybe not today, but 1st or 2nd of January. Alright brothers, so I think we've just extended this session by about 4 to 5 minutes. Let's bring this session to a pause now, and we shall be meeting one more time in the New York live at 8 AM Eastern Standard. Until then, if you're liking, press the like button, like, share and spread the word. Don't forget to subscribe if you're still not subscribed to. And thank you again for all your support and your presence online or on the offline mode. And I'll be back again after a few hours in the New York live at 8 AM Eastern Standard Time before we go into the weekend mode or celebration mode. And once again in advance, I would like to have all of you, or wish all of you, to have a blessed new year. Stay well and God bless. See you soon, brothers and sisters. Goodbye.